Citizens across Zimbabwe are raising their voices, calling on Vice President Chiwenga to put an end to the political and economic dysfunction that has gripped the nation. For too long, Zimbabwe have watched their country drift further from the promise of independence and prosperity. Chanapina mashoka kuda panguva ino achagona achiomsarurwa panguva ino achonekwa kunze vipi kosano chiwenga vonzi ngavapinde panyanga ndiri subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mudanyira chiti the dream of a free, fair and thriving Zimbabwe built on the sacrifices of liberation heroes now feels distant. Corruption, economic decay and elite capture have clouded that vision. But the message from citizens is growing louder and clearer. This is the only nation we have, and it is ours to reclaim. Zimbabwe is rich in history, culture, and natural resources. Yet despite this immense potential, the country remains shackled by powerful cartels that dominate key sectors of the economy. Among the most frequently cited is criminal category, whose name has become synonymous with opaque dealings and unchecked influence. Allegations of monopolistic control over fuel, mining, and finance have sparked widespread outrage, with many accusing those networks of holding the nation hostage. This crisis is not about one individual, it is about a system that allows a few to thrive, while the majority suffer. It is about the erosion of public trust, the collapse of essential services, and the normalization of hardship. Zimbabweans are being asked to accept less, while a privileged few enjoy more. Across the country, there is a renewed call for accountability, transparency, and citizen empowerment. Young people are demanding jobs in the future. Women are organizing for justice and inclusion. Civil society is pushing back against impunity. The message is unmistakable. We will not be spectators of our own country. Domashwa muda panguva ino itagwana kirina mchati ayo patukona kuti vakomana panguva ino ita pushing vachiexposa chokwadi kuti vanhu vazive kuti vanhu vasangova vanhu vanongotambura under the regime, but they must know what is transpiring. They must know who to support. They must know who they must not support. Panguva ino achinyaso kumeka it clear kuti vipi kosano Chiwenga nyika yeZimbabwe, they must rally behind him. Ndakome section yedu dzafungura imbo tukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like channel on the bell icon.